Hey guys, this is Shanmuga Shiva. Today I am going to talk about two important topics. Okay, one is World Heritage Sites, another one is Biosphere Reserve. Why means last year I have seen that there are four questions directly taken from these two topics in UPSC. Okay, so in UPSC 2019 there were four direct questions from these two Biosphere Reserve and that World Heritage. So I have decided to show you how they are asking the questions and also I decided to take notes, and I have taken notes, and you can get that from the description. Okay, let me start. So we know that biosphere reserves are protected areas. Now, so these protected areas also consist of some of the national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, and also those tiger reserves and all. Okay, in India we have 18 biosphere reserves. Okay, in that 11 biosphere reserves are added to the Man and Biosphere program of UNESCO, which means it will become a world network sites. Okay, and also we have World Heritage Site. In that 30 cultural sites, 7 national sites, 1 mixed sites that we have. Okay, we know that mixed site is a like both cultural and national site. We have Kanchenjunga as an example. Okay, let us start. So first one, Nanda Devi and Valley of Flower National Park. Actually, this is a uh, National World Heritage Site. Okay, so we know that Nanda Devi and Valley of National Flowers located in Uttarakhand, Greater Himalayas. In all the Greater Himalayas, we can find the alpine forest. No, so see the second statement of the Valley of Flowers. No, gentle slope and meadows of alpine forest. Actually, they have asked the direct question from this statement. See, which one of the following parks lies completely in the temperate alpine zone? We can directly say that Valley of National Forest. No? So next one, Agastyamalai Biosphere Reserve. So it is a biosphere reserve and also added to the World Network. Okay, as I said, it is a part of Man and Biosphere program of UNESCO. Okay, so Agastyamalai is a like southern tip of the Western Himalayas. Okay, so it consists of Nayar, Peppara, and Sendurani Wildlife Sanctuary, and also that Kalakkad Mundandurai Tiger Reserve. Okay, see this question. Which one of the following are in Agastyamalai Biosphere Reserve? See the state. Nayar, Peppara, Sendurani Wildlife Sanctuary, Kalakkad Mundandurai Tiger Reserve. Actually, they have taken. I think this is in the of that Wikipedia page. Okay, and also see the second statement. Mudumalai, Satyamangalam, Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary, Silent Valley Reserve Park, and all part of Nilagiri Biosphere Reserve. It is also directly taken from the Wikipedia only. Okay. Then we have Kanchenjunga Biosphere Reserve. We know that it is located in Sikkim, and also it is the origin of it has a Zemu Glacier. Zemu Glacier is the origin of Teesta River. See, Teesta River we have seen often in the news because of the dispute and all. So, see the question. In this glacier river comparison, we have fifth one Zemu. Zemu for Teesta, not Manas. Okay, so this statement is cancelled. And also we know that Siachen Glacier, it is a source of Numbra River. So both with these two we can directly like get into the answer. Okay, we'll see next one. Next one is group of monuments at Hampi. We know that Hampi is a capital of Vijayanagara Empire. So Vijayanagara Empire and these things and all located in Tungabhadra basin. We can see that located in the Tungabhadra basin in the third statement. Okay. So Hampi is actually a cultural site of World Heritage Site. Okay. See, in the third statement they have given that Hampi Malprabha. We know that Hampi is in which river? Tungabhadra river. If we eliminate that third option, means we can directly come to the answer. So this is how they are asking direct questions from these websites and all. So I decided to take notes from these websites. I have taken for each and every biosphere reserve and also all the 30, 37, 38 cultural world heritage sites. Okay, I'll add that in the description. You can use it. I hope you like that video. We will see soon. Thank you.